In this video, let us write down the square root of 52 in its simplest radical form. To do this, at first we will write down 52 as 4 times 13. Now we will take the square root on both sides. This can be rewritten as square root of 4 times square root of 13. Using the rule of square root of a times b is equal to square root of a times square root of b. Here a is 4 and b is 13. And we know that square root of 4 is 2. As 13 is a prime number, this cannot be simplified further. Multiplying we get 2 root 13. Therefore, square root of 52 in its simplified radical form is equal to 2 root 13, and this is our final answer. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and comment on the video. Also do subscribe the channel.